Hey guys, oh no, you don't have to go on long road trips. If you're worried about the price of gas and the price of campgrounds, you can stick more local. So let me share with you what Yoko and I are doing this evening. So we're just in Salt Lake, and we decided to go to the store to get some dinner, and we packed it inside the van, inside our Class B RV right here. And we took about a 20-minute ride up into a canyon, up to Millcreek Canyon, just parked our van, and we brought Oliver. It's a long story, but I'll just tell you, Oliver's not our dog, but I'll show him to you in a second. But we are dog sitting for our friends, and whenever they go out of town, we get Oliver. Oliver gets to go on like a camping trip. We call it Camp Maddo. But anyway, so yeah, we're doing like a nice little evening drive in the van, having dinner inside. It's a little chilly outside because there are picnic tables all around, but we're probably going to eat inside. So this is something you can do that's really, really inexpensive and fun. And if it gets real cold, you can turn on the heat. We've got our generator. We could turn the generator on if we need to, but we're not going to need to. But before we eat dinner, take a little walk along this boardwalk type thing here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful up here. We don't, like I said, we don't need to go on like a long trip to see this beauty. You can take your rig out and just have fun for a night and come back home that evening. That's exactly what I'm talking about. There's even a little bit of snow left. Look at that. A little bit of snow left. Right, if we go a little bit higher into the canyon, there's a lot of snow left. Okay, shall we go eat? Let's have some dinner. Join me back in my van. Okay, so there's Oliver having dinner. Yoko-chan. Hey, and here's our, see how easy this is? I just picked this up at the grocery store actually, and this is our dinner. Nice cheese there, some sake. And the point is, this little dinner trip is costing us, the only thing it's costing us is the price of the sushi and cheese and sake and a little bit of gasoline, but very little. So this is going to be kind of a cool little evening trip that we do, and we're like about 20 minutes from home. Oliver, you want to say hi? Want to say hello? Yeah. Do you like traveling? Oh no, the sushi's not for you, Oliver. It's not for you. Not for you. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of come on and show you what can be done. Oh, sorry, with the pillows there. We put them there, and sorry, we just ignore the pillows. We usually try to keep this very neat. But I just want to come on and show you what can be done for an evening trip. No campground needed, no long distance driving needed, just fun in the van. Kanpai. Which means cheers. Or what else? Cheers. Cheers. L'chaim. Anything else you wanted to mean? Salud. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Dave, the RV dummy, and again, you can do this if you have the van, if you have a motorhome. Bring it up somewhere cool. Enjoy dinner. Come back home. You will not regret it, I promise. Okay, bon appetit. We're ready to eat.